Hi everyone, today we will discuss about world biggest and successful business in education. School, college, universities and different institute include in this discussion. Let me give you an example. In my city, there is a mobile repair institute. They charge 30,000 Pakistani rupees for 2-month course. Mobile software and mobile hardware 30,000 separately charged, and total 4-month course, and they charge 60,000 Pakistani rupees for only 2 months. The iPhone course is 6 months and its worth is 1,50,000 Pakistani rupees, and its timing is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. I mean 12 hours in a day. Class time 2 hours, and in a day 12 classes are conducted for software and hardware course. In each batch, they have 20 students. 20 multiplied by 2 equal to 40 students, and 40 multiplied by 12 equal to 480 students total in a day. 480 multiplied by 30,000 rupees per course equal to 1 crore and 44 lakhs Pakistani rupees in only 2 months. And this institute has only 2 rooms and 2 teachers. What if you open shop at Plaza or somewhere of mobile repairing? Can they earn 1 crore and 44 lakhs in only 2 months? What they are doing? Just selling their experience and skill. Thank you.